Hello everybody. Today I'm actually going to build a normal rocket right now. I just built 2 minutes ago, but this is my first rocket. My normal rocket. First, but I don't want to tell you about myself. I'll introduce myself right now. I actually like rockets because they're very strong, and when I grow up, I really sure I'll be an astronaut. I love science a lot because it's kind of nice, but let's just do something here. What? All right, let's just launch it already, but I have to destroy it. Okay, first, this is how much throttle it needs. It gets throttle. This is the throttle. When you turn this button, it starts to launch. Now it's time to launch it. A basic rocket goes to orbit, so we're going to orbit. But if you're having version 1.5.6, you can time wrap to 3. See? 25 kilometers. You can time wrap to 3. We have some fuel left. There, see? We already got an orbit, so now let's deorbit. You have to build it to deorbit. Then you have to wait. This is my first video doing it. So start off the engine. Detach the capsule. And now let's land re-entry. If the heat shield can only survive 3,000 miles per second. It's almost double double this much. I actually said bad. Now we have to wait until we land on the ground. Alright, we're slowing down. Okay, now we have to wait. First, you have to deploy the parachute. And then you have to deploy the heat shield. But if you're having 1.5.2 or if you're having 1.5.2 or 3, you can have heat shields. Now time to detach. There, now we can land. Alright, this is the mission achievements, and this is what we got. So now, this equals orbit. I think that's a bit too difficult right now, but this rocket is an orbital rocket, even at one stage. This is actually the one that can go out of Mars' atmosphere. Just this tiny module. Just this, just skate away, and the video has ended. Wait, what? 38.8? It's just 0.9. Nice. Now, here it's cleared. Goodbye. For now, I have to stop recording the broadcast.